A very good morning to you all, dear students. Welcome back to today's maths class. In the last class, we have studied about prime factorization, right? Today, let us continue with another topic, highest common factor. First, let us learn the definition of highest common factor. So, the highest common factor, HCF, of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. Let me explain you this definition. My dear students, in our previous video we have learnt about how to find the factors, right? When they have given any two numbers, how to find the common factors we have learnt in our previous video. Let us quickly recall that. So, if you know how to find out the common factors, then only you can find out the highest common factor. Okay. See here, I have taken two numbers 12 and 16. If they are asking us to find out the highest common factor of 12 and 16, so this is how you should find out. First you should take down the factors of 12. Find out the factors of 12. Okay, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You know how to find out the factors. So this 12 should be divisible by these numbers. So those are the factors of 12. Similar, it is similar for 16 also. Factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Because 1 16s are 16. Yes, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16 and 16 1s are 16. Is it clear about the factors? So next is how to find out the common factors. So common factors of 12 and 16 are, which are the common factors? You just need to find out which are the common here. See here, 1 and 1. It is common. Then 2 is common. 3 is not common because 3 is not a factor of 16. Common in the sense it should be factor of both 12 and 16. So 6 is not a common factor, 8 is not a common factor, 12 and 16 are also not the common factor. So which are the common factors of 12 and 16? 1, 2 and 4. Write down the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. See, now we have to find out highest common factor. The name itself suggests highest. You should find out the greatest. Okay. Among these three factors, that is 1, 2 and 4, which is the highest one? Obviously it is 4. Therefore, we can write it as HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. Highest common factor is also known as GCD. It means greatest common divisor. Okay, greatest common divisor. Remember this. Greatest common divisor. HCF is highest common factor. Did you understand, students, how to find out the highest common factor? It is very easy. First you have to write down the factors of both the numbers. Find out the common factors. Among those common factor, which is the highest one? That is your HCF. Okay. You can also find out the common factor or the highest common factors using the prime factorization method. For example, so this is a method 2, or you can call it as prime factorization method, which we have learned in our previous class. Prime factorization. Okay, if they have given you the numbers 20 and 28 and they have asked us to find out the HCF. Okay, find out the HCF of 20 and 28. You can go through the prime factorization method. Consider the first number, that is 20. Do the prime factorization for this number. 20 can be written as 2 tens are 20, right? 2 tens are 20. Then 2 fives are 10. Okay, 2 fives are 10. Are you following? Next, 5 is divisible by 5 itself. 5 ones are 5. See, 2 tens are 20, 2 fives are 10, and 5 ones are 5. So the factors of 20 are 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 1 is obviously the factor of every number. Next number is 28. Yes, find out using the factorization method. See, 2 ones are 2. Next, another number is 4 here. 2 fours are 8. Understood? 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Then 2 sevens are 14. Then 7 is divisible by 7 itself. 7 ones are 7. Therefore, the factors of 28 are 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. Now find out the common factors among this. 2 is a common factor and 2 is a common factor. Therefore, HCF of 20 and 28 is 2 and 2. Therefore, 2 twos are 4. 4 is your HCF. Understood? So this is how you can find out the the highest common factor by prime factorization method, and this is as usual by finding out the common factors. Okay, by writing factors of 12 and 16, then you have to search for common factor, then you have to search for highest common factor. Is it clear, children? We will solve some more exercise problems.